Okay, so friends, here I'm gonna show you how to make a to-do list, and I'll teach you how to make a good to-do list. And uh, this video might be longer than my previous videos, but not much longer. Okay, so I think I should start now. So first of all, I would like to create my React app. npm create Vite, sorry, @latest. Yes, and okay, so now I would like to give my name of my project. So it's simple name to do. Okay, I would like to give L capital and same package name React JavaScript and CD uh, to do list npm I. So now I am installing the all the packages. Okay, npm. Okay, this is my to do list. These are my previous projects, so don't see them right now. Focus on this to-do list app. Okay, so npm I, and it is taking a long time. I don't know why. See those packages. These packages are huge, very huge packages. It has a bundler and many more things. Uh, Babel is also there. There are many things. Babel is basically used to transpile your JSX code to JavaScript code. Hence, because your browser, your Google Chrome and this Internet Explorer only read JavaScript, not JSX code. It do not understand JSX code. It doesn't understand. Yes. So okay. So now I would like to create a. Okay. So let me close this node module and open this app.jsx. I'd like to clear this, and I would like to write it again. Export. Sorry. Default function app. Yes. Return. Uh, Let me return a div and then h1 app component. Yes. Sorry. Yes. So let me run this. npm run dev. When you will click on this link, it will take you here. Close this previous window. Okay, so yeah, app component rendered. Okay, so now I would like to use a Tailwind for UI because Tailwind is the easiest way to create a effective UI and responsive UI. Like I can write CSS, but it will make a half an hour video to 1 hour. So I don't want to do that. So here I would like to install Tailwind. I have opened a next terminal. Open a new terminal by clicking this plus sign, and now I'd like to go on to-do list folder, cd to-do list, and now here I would like to install Tailwind. So here the easiest way of installing, not easy, I would say this is the only way to install Tailwind in Vite. Tailwind, yeah. When you go to Tailwind, go to their site, and here you will see using Vite. So copy this command and click it here, paste it here. Okay, so now again, copy these two lines. It has see Tailwind. The Tailwind site has highlighted two lines. First this, copy this, and go to your which folder? Tweetconfig.js. Yes, you have pasted it here. Now in plugins, paste this line Tailwind. So here, what are you do? What you are doing? So we are uh, installing Tailwind, and by installing its plugins. This is the plugin for Tailwind. We have imported this Tailwind, and when we wrote this line, it has installed Tailwind from npm package, right? Okay, so now only thing left is import Tailwind in your index.css. See, this index.css is the file. The CSS you will write here. will be applied to your whole app. With this CSS will be applied to every section of this file. Okay, no matter it is inside other folder, it will apply to app.js. If you create a todo.js, it will apply to that also. And you don't need to import index.css everywhere. Like this app.css, this we have to import. This is a file made by us. Like now when we make Vite, when we make a Vite server, this is a pre-installed file. But if you like, if I make a todo.css, this file I would have to import it, not CSS, manually. CSS. I would have to import this file inside this app.jsx manually, but I don't want to do that. That's why I have pasted it in index.css. Hope you got my point. Now I would like to delete this file. And okay, working in this app component. So let me check, have I installed this Tailwind successfully or not. So text. Uh, Okay, so my extension is not working properly. Tailwind extension. Tailwind. Okay, Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. I would like to install it. Restart extension and install it. It should work properly now. This is a problem. You could face the same problem as well. This is a basic problem with Tailwind. Okay, so it is taking a bit longer time. Let me write BG and BG grid call. Okay, it's not coming. Hey, what's the problem? BG red. Uh, 500. Let's see. Color changes or not? Changed or not? Yes. So yeah, you can see background change, but yeah, I'm not okay. Okay, now it took some little time to import these classes. So if I font bold, like if I text Excel, 4 XL or 3 XL, you can see, yeah, it has increased the size of H1. Okay, so we have successfully installed it, and now I would like to create a to-do list UI. Yes. So first approach to create is this. Let me give a h1 tag here to do list. Okay, so here I will have to do list heading. Okay, and below this I would like to have a div. In this div I will have all my list. Okay, so in this list I would have a ul. Inside that I would have li, which will contain my to-do list my to-do list heading, and a button to delete that to-do list. Skin inside this I will have a para, or I would like to give, yeah, para is good. Paragraph of to dos and a button to delete those to dos button. Okay. Oh, yeah. So you can see this is a basic skeleton structure of our app. Don't worry, we will fix this by creating a responsive UI. CA class. Oh, there's a shortcut for class. Whenever you write this, you will get class name in this JSX. So first I would like to give it H to screen, and W to screen. Obviously, you won't see any change here. So let me do it like this. And here I would like to have this. Yes. So here you will see side by side the implementation of this. H1. No, I would like to give it background color BG. What should I give? Gray. 300 is fine. Yes, so you can see it is applied to the whole screen. So now I would like to center this. So I would make this display flex. Flex is the best way to center anything. You can use grid and position also. That would also work. And column, flex call. Okay. And justify center. Item center. I would like to item center. Item center. Yeah. See, it is centered. And I would like to give this margin, this div margin of top empty 10. Yeah, not 10, not 10, 100. Oh, it's too much. 40, I think 40 is fine. Yeah, 40 is fine. And font bold and text for Excel. Yeah, it is looking good. And I would like to give it of margin bottom of 10. Let's see. Yeah, 10 is good. And let me do one thing. I would like to give it 30. Yeah, this is good because it will make to do here, and my list will be here, so it will look bad. Okay, so now I would like to style this UL and LI section. So width, I would like to give 50 or 1 by 2. 1 by 2, let's see, 1 by 2. And H 1 by 2. So to see this, I would like to give it BG Amber. Yeah, it is good. It is looking very good, very good. And if I see H, if I make H auto, so, and let me do one thing. It will increase automatically now. Yes. So give this H auto. Whenever you will increase to do items, it will increase. Else, it will remain same. Okay. So to do's and make this UL, not UL. mm, this LI to flex. Oh, oh. Am I typing too fast because the CLS is not, Vite is not recognizing. Oh, Vite, I'm saying Vite. This VS Code is not recognizing CLS. Okay, so I would like to give it flex. Yes, and gap of 1, not 1, 10. Wait. I can do one more thing. Justify. See, if you want to read suggestions, you can hit a control plus space bar. You will get suggestions there. Okay, and now I would like to give px of 4. Okay, so no, I would not like to give this px of 4. Px of 1 is fine, and py of 2. Py of 2. Yeah, this is good. And I would like to make corners of this rounded, this div rounded. Rounded to XL is very good. It is looking good. But not this. I would like to use rounded SM and give this a border shadow. SHADOW shadow suggestion. See shadow here. Can you see the shadow? This is a very light shadow. So I would not like to give the shadow. Rounded SM, and I'll change this BG Ember. This is looking very ugly. Or pretty ugly. Okay, so BG. Let make it a zinc or stone. Stone is, let me see stone. See, you will learn this. You will learn this Tailwind classes. It depends on your practice. The more you practices, the more you will learn it. And let me style this button. So let me do this styling part fast, a bit faster, so that video will be smaller, much smaller. Button BG red is fine. Yes, it is fine. Uh, uh, oh, wait. Sorry, guys. RONDD LG. Yeah, LG is not that bad. PX2. Yes, px2 is good. And on hover, I would like to give bg light, bg red, but a light red, like this. And text, so let me change text to uh, stone this. Yeah, and whenever somebody hovers on it, hover, text, stone, uh, make it dark. See, is that looking good? And let me give text, oh sorry, font bold, sorry. See, you can do the same mistake. It is not looking that good, but yeah, it is okay. Okay. I think I should give it 600. Not, yeah, it is fine. So now we have created UI successfully. Now I would like to create to-do list. Uh, Now I'd like to show to-do list concept, the concept how to create to-do list, the code behind to-do list. So create a state const to-dos to-dos comma set to-do is equals to use state and keep this use state oh, so this is happening because I haven't imported it yet. So yeah, this is an array use state, array of use state. So this to-dos is an array. Initially it would be an empty array which would which will have nothing inside it. And now, oh, we have missed something. Can you tell me? We have missed import button. Not import, oh, sorry. Input button and input text field. So after my heading, I would like to have an input and then button to add that. Yes. So you cannot see this input because the initial classes of Tailwind are applied to it. So I would like to give it BG. Uh, stone is, I don't know why I like it. And not this. 300. 300, no, it is mixing with the background. So let me give VG Zinc, ZINC, and 400. 400. Yes, this is fine. And button, so, bit darker, a little darker color to button. VG Zinc 900. 900 is much darker, but let's use it. Let's try to use it. No, this is looking ugly, very ugly. Not so much. There is not a huge difference between 800. Yeah, 700 is fine. And now I would like to give this a padding of px. And let me give p only. It will now give x and y whole padding. 10 is too much. Oh wait, 1. Yeah, 1 is good. 1 and p of 1. Okay. And make rounded left side only 2xl. Yes. And make this rounded from right side only, rounded from right. For right, you have to just write dash r. See this. Is this fine? Or do I need to do more things to make it uh, very good? This UI, make this UI look good. Margin bottom, I think I should add. Margin bottom 10. Yeah, this is fine. So, and on hover, I would like to give oh, oh, on hover BG zinc light 300. 300 is mixing with the color 400. No, it is mixing with that input color 500. 500 is fine. And text bolder, no, text not, do not do this. And input, let us work on input also. I would like to give px of 1 as well, not 1, 2. Okay. And see, when you will click on this input, this outline will appear. To remove this outline, you just have to write a, there was a class, overline, overflow, not overflow, overline, none, not this. Um, uh, Let me see it on Google. Input, uh, border, tail, uh, how to remove input border in Tailwind CSS. Focus border outline. Yes, focus border outline. So focus outline none. Focus none. Hey, why is it happening? How to remove input border CSS? Yes, outline style, not this, not this. Focus outline none. Okay, so focus outline none. Let me see. Yeah, it has removed. Sorry, I forgot that. So sorry for that. Sorry again. But yeah, this is ready. Now I would like to collect this input value. The value which I will write in this input, I would like to collect it. So create a state. This is the easiest way, or I can use ref also. But to make it simple and easy, I would like to use input, use state only. Set input, use state, and initially it would be empty. And value of this input will also be empty. Value uh, input. Yes, so value, initial value would be empty. And on change, I would like to call a function and call an inline function which will set input to event or not. I would like not like to write event e dot target only. Keep your code short. Target dot value value. And see here we want to catch this in event. So, and this event is a predefined function in input, so you have to write e here also, here as well. Now I can change it, and now I'd like to do console it. So let me console this. Console input. So inspect it and see whatever you will write will come here. First of all, clear your console. Then see H G F G H. You are getting these. Okay. Now I would like to put this input in this to dos whenever somebody click on that button. So make your uh, this function handle, sorry for that spelling mistake, handle click, handle beat in there, you can write whatever name you want, and we will define it here. Function handle click, uh, yes. See, you might be using arrow function many time, but I like this type of function more than arrow function. This is the old convention of function. Okay, so here in this handle click, I would like to set to dos. So if you set to dos like this input, see what this line will do. This will set this input directly to this to dos, and and now I would like to console.log to dos as well, to dos. So see what will happen here. It will not append that to dos in this array. It will override the previous element. See, let me clear this console as well. And so I am writing Tanishq. See, whenever I will click on that add, Tanishq will come here. Now I would like to write hey, hey only. And whenever I will click this add button, hey will come here. See, hey is there. Initially Tanishq was there. Okay, so this will overwrite your previous value of to dos. I don't want to do that. Instead of that, I want to set this. Uh, See, here we get a previous element, previous input. In this, you will get previous input, or you can write previous to do. Okay, so I want to what I want to do. I want to return this uh, keeping this previous to do as well. This spread operator. What the spread? This will copy this whole. Oh, sorry. This will copy this whole previous to do here, and it will not change this. Keep this previous to do and add input to it. Yeah, this code is fine. Okay, see. Oh, wait. Let me refresh it. I have DSAD. I have typed here. DSAD is here. Okay, and now we'll type here Tanish. So you will see Tanish will come after this DSAD. Sorry, it's not Tanishq, I write something else. So if I write here, let's see coder. So coder will come after this TABUSHQ. Okay, coder will see. Now the upcoming code is quite simple. Now you just have to map this all these things. Okay, and that's a very basic thing. You can easily do that. I know. Okay, so now I would like to mm, do one thing. I would like to map this whole thing in this list. uh, here here I would like to map it. So to do's dot map, or here you can use this question mark also. This question mark means this is an operator. Whenever you will write this will ensure when to do's will come, then only will mapping, then only your mapping will start, otherwise not. So here I would not use it because it's not needed here. To do's dot map current to do, and sorry, and I would like to return an li with wait for a second, a list of this. See this list. I would like to cut this from here and paste it here. Okay, and give a key of index here and get this index here and clear this all to do's thing. Now here I would like to current to do. Okay. See, here I will write Tanishq, and whenever I click on add, this Tanishq will come here. Now I would like to write Saxana. This will come after this. You can see this. And I would like to clear this input if after every add click. Whenever we click on add, this input should be cleared. So that's quite simple. Where we have written this function, just write set input to empty. So yeah, Saxena, and it is cleared. And I can prevent this empty adding also, and the same text adding also. So that's a quite simple thing. Just write whenever your the uh, just do this whenever your field is empty. Do not just return. So I can let me do this. If to do is empty, if or I would like to say input is empty, input is false, just return. Sorry, input dot length or weight. So yeah, it is false. Wait, what shall I do here? See, whenever I'm clicking this, if to do dot length, so 0, then return. Hey, wait, why this is not working? I don't know why. Here, if current element is empty, do it here. If uh, current to do dot alien is equals to 0, then return. See, now it will not add uh, an empty object. Okay, now it will not add anything which is empty. See, it is not adding. I am clicking on it, and whenever I type something, it will add that. That's a quite simple. I was doing in that. I was writing a wrong thing there. Sorry for that. I can also make some mistakes. Even I am learning with you. So okay, so this is I think 70% of our app is done. Now I only have to delete this to do. So for deleting, you have to create a uh, logic here to delete it. So let me see. Whenever I'll click on delete. This index of this whole list will go to somewhere, and I would like to filter that index. Yes, this should be our logic. So index, okay. Array dot index. To do dot index. Yes. Filter. I want to on delete. So let me write a function here in this delete button. On click handle delete lete uh, function handle delete here. Sorry for that again. I'm creating. I'm doing so much mistakes here. Sorry, so sorry. And I'm passing ID of this index of this button or this by this index. I'm passing this index in this handle delete function index. And I cannot directly pass this. To pass index, I would like to create this function like this. Yes, this is good. And handle h. So I have passed index here. Let me see that index console.log. This index is coming or not? Let me see. And let me clear those console, the previous consoles I have done. Okay, so I have cleared it already. Let me click on this. Yes. See, whenever I will click on delete, its ID will come. Yes, it is of second ID. Okay. When I click on delete, the ID will come. And wait. Yes, it is of 0th index. So let me do one thing here. I would like to do dot filter uh, to do's dot oh, what is this happening? TODOS dot filter uh, current to do current element, or I have written to do there. If index comma index, if this index is ID, I would like to write here ID. If these both are equal, just return those elements which are not equal. Just filter those which are not equal, where index is not equal to ID, and store it to some variable, const new to do. Okay, and now map this new to do. And initially this so wait, set this new to do, set to do's to this new to do. We can do this as well. Let me see if it is running or not. See, this is working perfectly fine. Yeah, our app is done. And now you can post this app, and you can mm, post this app to Netlify or wherever you want. Thank you so much.